Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today we're looking at Arcimoto. Arcimoto is a pretty cool product. I've not driven one yet, but I intend to. They're really cool vehicles. Not sure how they're going to do in all weather environments. I'll have to do some more research on that one. But for the beach climate and other places, it's going to be really fun. They're going to have a good rental business as well. I think they have a really good product, and I think their manufacturing style is pretty cool. They're going to have various manufacturing plants around the country, and they're going to max out at about 50,000 per domicile, per factory. So that's pretty neat. You can see the stock has been really torn down recently. All right, now it's not gone back to where it was. It was really horrible back here. I wish I would have found out about it back then, but I really wasn't. I didn't really have it on my radar. Only just recently, and I was not going to pay $35 a share. I didn't think it was worth it. Not at that time, because they didn't have a lot of production. They didn't have a lot of stuff. Production now is coming online, and it's looking good. The stock is turning up. So I'm going to be selling some more options here. Maybe buy a couple shares. Let's take a look. Let's look at the options pricing for July. So July, $10. Whoa, this is pretty good. $10. And let's see, what's the probability? 54%. 1250? It's only 34%? Wow. All right. So I'm going to sell this one and this one. And I don't think I'm going to buy any insurance because it's not that low. They're not going out of business anytime soon, I'll tell you that. Look at the calls. Calls are going nuts. Wow, okay. I'm just going to trade this for now. And take in almost $400 credit? That is crazy. All right, so 100 of that, I'm in the money already. So it's got to move up for me to be okay. Okay, I understand. All right. So I'm going to take the $10 put. I'm going to do two of those. So that's $500. That's pretty good. I'll take that for the day. That's a pretty good day trade. All right, let's see if we can get it filled. Oh, I got to switch accounts. Hold on. And it's filled. So let's go back to positions. And I just messed up because that's not the account I wanted it in. Dope. Yeah, I'm a dope. Okay, that's great. Now I gotta buy some shares for this account. Let's check my buying power. Okay, it's a little low. Still okay though. So let's not go crazy. So let's do my hack. You guys know what my hack is, right? Go to the chart, trade, buy one share, buy one share. Not a problem. Switch accounts again, that's great. Bye. I think I can handle it. All right. Let's go back. Now we have our tracking stock for our price. And we have the shares in our account. So awesome. The share. One single tracking share for this account. That's great. If they would only make that improvement, it would save me one share of stock. That's okay. All right, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below of Arcimoto FUV. Really cool looking vehicles. Sounds fun to drive. I love driving motorcycles. And this could bring more stability to that. Although I love riding motorcycles, I'm not sure if I would want the third wheel. I guess I'll see. I'll be probably taking a test drive in one of these in the next few months here. As soon as I can make it out there to one of the places they got. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe for more. Maybe we'll videotape that test drive. That'd be cool, right? Make sure you subscribe for that. That'd be cool. And see how this options trade turns out. Be sure to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.